The chorus of male cicadas fills the air, a performance to attract females. However, cicadas spend most of their lives underground, waiting for the time to emerge. Cicadas begin their lives as eggs. Female cicadas have a sharp, needle-like organ called an ovipositor. They use it to cut small slits into tree branches or stems and lay their eggs inside. After several weeks, baby cicadas called nymphs hatch from the eggs and immediately fall to the ground and burrow into the soil. They have strong, shovel-like front legs for digging, and they burrow deep enough to reach the roots of trees. However, they are vulnerable to predators like ants, spiders, and centipedes. While underground, nymphs attach themselves to the roots of trees and shrubs, feeding on tree sap. In their safer underground life, cicada nymphs still face risks. Predators like moles and other ground-dwelling animals can hunt and eat them. Also, soil fungi can invade their bodies, posing another serious threat. The nymphs molt their exoskeleton several times. Each molt helps them grow larger and develop more mature features. This process continues until they are fully grown and ready to emerge as adults. After years underground, the nymphs begin to dig upward through the soil and finally burrow out of their underground chambers. However, predators like frogs wait to hunt cicadas as they emerge. And birds like crows also feast on cicada nymphs. The cicada nymph climbs the trunk of a nearby tree and finds a spot to emerge as an adult. The exoskeleton splits open along the back, and the cicada slowly emerges through the opening, carefully freeing its body, legs, and wings. Male cicadas fill the air with buzzing sounds to attract females. Even when cicadas become adults, they face numerous predators and have no defense against them. Cicadas are rich in protein and easy to catch, making them a highly attractive food source for animals. Males sing to attract females, and those that successfully find a mate will contribute to the next generation. After mating, they lay their eggs and complete their life cycle. What makes cicadas so special is their sounds. When in groups, their collective noise can reach up to 100 decibels, which is about as loud as a subway train. But what makes their sound so loud? The cicada's abdomen is hollow and acts as a resonating chamber, and they have special organs called tymbals. By rapidly contracting and relaxing muscles attached to the tymbals, they create loud, rhythmic sounds. Cicadas also have unique eyes and can actually see quite well. Cicadas have 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes which they use to visually perceive the world around them, and 3 small, jewel-like, simple eyes called ocelli. These ocelli are believed to help cicadas detect light and darkness. Among all cicadas, however, there is one group that stands out as especially unique. This is the periodical cicadas. Some periodical cicadas emerge every 13 years, while others emerge every 17 years in different areas of North America. In 2024, both 13-year and 17-year periodical cicadas emerged together in the same year. This was the first time in 221 years, and more than 1 trillion cicadas appeared. The numbers 13 and 17 are prime numbers, and a prime number is a whole number greater than one with only 2 factors, itself and 1. But why do cicadas emerge in prime numbers in their life cycles? Predators' populations also move in cycles, depending on how much food and competition is around. Let's say there are predators with life cycles of 3 years and 4 years. If the cicada has a life cycle of, say, 12 years, then both predators will hunt the cicadas every 12 years, leading to an overlap in their cycles. How about prime numbers like 13? If cicadas emerge every 13 or 17 years, the overlap with these predators happens much less often. Since prime numbers aren't divisible by smaller cycles, predators' life cycles rarely sync up with the cicada's emergence. Periodical cicadas don't fly far from their birthplace, which makes them an easy target for predators. However, by emerging in such large numbers, enough survive to reproduce, ensuring the species continues. Cicadas not only become a feast for a variety of predators, but their bodies also enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients for tree growth. After mating and laying eggs, they will all die within a few days, and the forest will fall silent, waiting for the next generation.